The 2025 Honda VFR 750 RV4 marks a bold return of a legendary sport touring machine, blending Honda's racing DNA with modern engineering. Reviving the iconic V4 platform, the RV4 builds on the legacy of the original VFR series, renowned for its reliability, smooth power delivery, and unmistakable exhaust note. This new generation brings a refreshed chassis, updated electronics, and subtle styling changes that pay homage to its predecessors while pushing performance and comfort into the modern era. At the heart of the RV4 is a revised 750cc V4 engine, refined for greater mid-range torque and smoother throttle response. Honda has managed to preserve the visceral character of the original VFR while meeting today's emission standards. The bike's power band is broad and usable, making it just as comfortable carving twisty backroads as it is cruising on long-distance rides. The unique V4 growler, now enhanced by a tuned exhaust system, reminds you with every twist of the wrist that this is no ordinary sport tourer. The frame has been lightened using modern materials, contributing to improved agility and stability. A fully adjustable Showa suspension setup front and rear offers a customizable ride, whether you're hitting the track or touring for hours. Braking is sharp and confidence-inspiring thanks to dual radial-mounted calipers paired with ABS and Honda's latest cornering control tech. Technology plays a bigger role in the RV4 than ever before. Riders now get a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, multiple riding modes, traction control, and optional electronic suspension adjustment. These additions make the RV4 feel modern without overwhelming the rider with unnecessary complexity. Ergonomically, the bike maintains a balance between sporty aggression and all-day comfort, making it suitable for a wide range of riders. In terms of design, the 2025 model wears sharper lines and subtle nods to the RC30 and previous VFR generations. LED lighting, aerodynamic fairings, and a single-sided swingarm add to its distinctive profile. The bike's overall fit and finish reflect Honda's legendary build quality, and for longtime fans of the VFR series, there's no doubt that this latest RV4 feels like a love letter to Honda's golden age of sport bikes. Whether you're a VFR loyalist or a new rider looking for a machine that balances character, comfort, and performance, the 2025 Honda VFR 750 RV4 delivers a riding experience that's as emotional as it is refined. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a return to form. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.